Great dawning, everyone. I am Efua. I'm speaking to you as your life alchemist and your transformation engineer. I know a lot of us have been talking in the group and doing different rituals and trying to evoke, invite, provide spiritual guidance into our life from our ancestral divine and divine. So I wanted to just remind you that when you are doing this, you have to be very aware of what you're doing. And you just can't go from one thing, from going to your altar to going to go do readings, and then going from your readings to going and do hands on someone, or then go and do a ritual or a spell or a conjure for someone. You have to take time to cleanse in between. You just can't go out and purchase items from stores and from flea markets and from Goodwill and from all these other places and not take time to cleanse them. Same thing with our stones. So I just want to be clear that whenever you bring anything into your space, you need to cleanse it and allow the aura or the energies that are in it to become one in alignment with you, or you have to alter them. So keep that in mind. Go back, do your washes, do your cleansings with the incense. Go ahead and throw it in the sun and the moon for a couple of days. Don't just automatically place things into your home, because everything is energy. Everything is vibrating. There are spirits that are sent into things that people use. They absorb the vibrations and the spirits and the energies and the thoughts of that environment. So you want to be clear when you are utilized. That's why we dress our candles. That's why we burn sage. That's why we wash down things with Florida water. So those of you that are in the nuance of this process, I just wanted to share that with you as someone who has dealt with my own energies being altered by things I purchase or I'm given, and as well as helping other people to remove that. So please remember to do that. I often post stuff in the room, or if you got to inbox me, hey, I don't charge for this stuff. I just want us to live at our highest and greatest self, which is our exponential life as divine beings and life alchemists. Until next time, you are peace and love.